Karela Masala or Bitter Gourd Masala is today's kitchen recipe. This bitter gourd curry is also known as Karela Sabji is a simple, easy Punjabi recipe. Bitter gourd cubes with lightly caramelized onions, dry mango powder, and a few spices make this dish sweet, tangy, and bitter in taste. Ingredients: 1 kg Karela, 2 medium onion, 2 tomatoes, 1 teaspoon salt, vegetable masala, curry powder, mix masala, garam masala, chili powder and turmeric, 1 spoon ginger and garlic. Steps of cooking. First step. Remove the seeds of Karela and leave the Karela with salt and lemon for 1 hour for removing the bitter. Second step. Fry the Karela until becoming brown gold. Third step. Fry the onion until becoming brown gold. After that we add the garlic and ginger and we cook together for 5 minutes. Next, we add the onion and the spices and we cook until becomes like a smooth gravy. At the end we add the Karela and we cook until the oil will be separated from the spices. Now before we end this video, let's take a sneak peek at the health benefits of Karela or bitter gourd. It purifies the blood. Excellent for people having diabetes. Improves constipation and piles. Helpful in healing skin disorders. Besides being good in B vitamins and vitamin C, Karela is also rich in minerals like iron, calcium, and phosphorus. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.